Hello everybody, welcome back to the chateau, and as much as I want to be getting on with something for here, I've got to go and sort out something for Billy. He is having a private party, so he's going to be using my stage, the one I use for my events, and of course I need to do some work to that, which does actually get me in a better position for my party. So I'm just doing something that I need to do earlier, and you know what, after that, maybe, because it will have cooled down, I can get the fountain working and some more of the aeration system. But I've got to go and get some bits welded up and then deliver and set up a stage for Billy. So adjustments were made to the roof. I decided I wanted it coming down, because it used to go all the way up and quite a lot more, so it's a straight angle. So we shortened it and moved it downwards. So not only is there less space there, there's also a downward bit, so it's harder for the wind to get under it and catch it. Think it makes more sense, and well, I'm making for all of the sections here some 45-degree supports just to add some structural integrity to it. So let's get on with it. Now. All right, well, what can I say? Apart from, we all enjoyed a party. So, I don't know who else filmed anything, but we obviously got the stage set up. That was Thursday, right through till sort of Sunday and Monday, packing down. And do you know what? I think no one ended up filming anything more than that, because everyone, friends and family, sat around and all relaxed for a time off camera, a time without worrying about everything else. So that's as far as I got. I don't know who else filmed anything, but it was a private party, so I don't know if anyone did, but lots of fun was had. I've had some rest days, and now I will be back to dealing with here, because lots of that was it was a dry run for my party, so lots of the stuff that I lent and set up was for my party. So I just got stuff done early, which is very, very nice. But what I'm going to have to do, as you can tell now, the rain has come, and to be honest, it's welcome. It is welcome. Not so much in the moat, because I still need to do that, although that has now even dropped even further because of the heat. So I need to finish that, but I also, tomorrow, I need to finish, I want to get the pump sorted for the fountain, because that can be going in that area while I finish off some of the other bits for the aeration system. So I've had a rest, we've had some fun, and now it's back to the grindstone. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.